I'm Masuko Tori. I'm a school nurse as well as a teacher of this academy. Go stand in front of that thing in order that you're called. This artificially spirited 8-year crow is going to check your health condition. And he checks not only your health condition...
Transfer number 001. Yanri Yao. No problem. Found in the health condition. Future occupation. Military soldier.
All right!
It can also predict your future occupation. Why do you... Akuto Sai.
Transfer number 021. Akudo Sai. No problem. Found in the health condition. His future occupation. Demon King.
What did you just say?
His future occupation. Demon King.